Hi, I'm Ling Abson, a leadership coach. So, thank you for watching this video. It's going to be a quick video because I need your help. So, I'm wondering what other videos would you like to see from me? So, as a leadership coach, a lot of the times the questions I answer for my clients that I get from my clients are usually leadership related. So, things like managing, being a new manager, transitioning into a manager, how to be a productive manager, from an individual contributor to a manager. It can be quite a transition for some. How to deliver hard feedback, imposter syndrome, managing up, motivating teams. How do I get my team to do what they said they would? Psychological safety. What is that? How does that help with creating great teams? So there's so many different topics that's swirling in my head. I really want to prioritize them, or maybe there are topics that I have not listed here. So please, if you have ideas, if you have challenges right now, or questions that you really want answered, please leave comments. We can connect on LinkedIn, and send me a message that way, or email me through my contact form on my website. Let me know what you would like to watch on my next video. All right, take care. Bye.